A mother's brave journey. Emily lived in a small town called Rivera. She was a young mother and worked from home as an online fitness teacher. Every morning, she walked her daughter Mia to school. Then she returned home to start her day. One morning, she saw something strange at her door. A white envelope was stuck there. It was addressed to Mia Carter. Emily opened it slowly. The letter was from Alex, Mia's father. He wrote that he was sorry for leaving. He said he wanted to meet Mia and know his daughter. Emily felt confused. So many memories came back to her. She remembered when she was 18. That summer, her cousin Rachel came to visit from the coast. Rachel loved parties and fun. One night, she said, "Emily, let's go dancing. Maybe you'll meet someone special." Emily didn't want to go. She was tired, but Rachel insisted. So Emily went with her. At the club, the music was loud and the lights were colorful. They danced and laughed. Suddenly, Rachel pointed to a boy on the dance floor. "Look at him. He's cute." He had blonde hair, warm honey-colored eyes, and a kind smile. Emily looked at him. He looked at her. For a few seconds, time stopped. Later, near the entrance, he walked by and said, "Hey, I'm Alex. What's your name?" "Emily," she replied. "You're really beautiful. Can I have your number?" Emily gave it to him, smiling shyly. The next morning, she found a message from him. Her heart beat faster. Over the next days, they talked more and went on dates. Alex was funny, sweet, and full of energy. Soon, they became boyfriend and girlfriend. 2 years passed. Emily and Alex were happy. They talked about their future, traveling, and maybe having children one day. But there was a problem. Alex's parents didn't like Emily. They were rich and proud. Emily came from a simple family. Her mom was a single mother and a doctor. Alex's parents thought Emily wasn't good enough. They never smiled at her. They ignored her. Emily stayed quiet because she loved Alex and hoped things would get better. Then one summer day, something changed. Emily was preparing a gift for Alex for their anniversary, but her head hurt. Her body felt strange. She checked her calendar. Her period was late. She ran to the pharmacy and bought a pregnancy test. After waiting, the test said pregnant. She sat down. Her hands shook. "I'm too young," she thought. "What will I do?" That evening, when Alex came to pick her up, she told him the truth. "I'm pregnant." Alex froze. Then he got angry. "This can't be happening," he said. "We're only 20. I'm not ready. You should end it. I don't want this baby." Emily cried. "I thought you loved me." Alex didn't listen. He left. Emily felt lost, but her mother hugged her and said, "You're not alone. I will help you. If you choose to have this baby, I will be with you." That night, Emily touched her belly and whispered, "I don't know how, but I will do my best. I promise." Months passed. Emily had a baby girl named Mia. She was small and beautiful. Emily's love for her was strong. She worked hard, studied, and became a good mom and a good teacher. Mia grew up happy, full of joy. Emily never saw Alex again. She didn't tell Mia much about him. She wanted to protect her. Now, many years later, she had the letter in her hands. Alex wanted to meet Mia. She didn't know what to do. But that night, as she watched Mia sleep, Emily said, "Maybe it's time. Maybe she should know the truth." So, she called the number. Alex answered. He was calm and polite. They spoke for a long time. He said he had changed. He had made mistakes, but now he wanted to be a better person and a father. Emily was careful. She said, "You can meet Mia, but take it slow. She is a smart and kind girl. Don't hurt her." Alex agreed. Weeks passed. At first, Mia was quiet, but soon she began to smile. They talked about books, sports, and music. Emily watched from a distance. Slowly, something changed in her heart. Not love for Alex again, but peace. Then something unexpected happened. Emily met someone new. His name was Daniel. He was a teacher at the local school. Kind, quiet, and respectful. They met during a community event. He helped her carry a box of books and made her laugh with a silly joke. They started talking more. He invited her and Mia to a picnic. Mia liked him. He taught her how to fly a kite and draw trees with colored pencils. Emily felt something warm in her heart. Months passed. Daniel became part of their lives. He supported Emily in her work. He helped Mia with her homework. He even learned how to cook pancakes on Sundays. One evening, as the three of them sat under the stars, Daniel said, "Emily, I love you. You and Mia make my world bright. I want to build a life with you." Emily smiled. She had tears in her eyes. "I love you too," she said. They decided to start a new life together. Daniel got a job in Osaka, Japan. It was far but full of opportunities. Emily was nervous, but excited. She told Mia about the idea. "Will I have to leave school?" Mia asked. "Yes, but you'll make new friends," Emily said. "And you'll learn a new language." Mia thought for a moment. Then she smiled. "Okay, let's go." Before they left, Emily invited Alex to say goodbye. He gave Mia a small photo album. "This is for you," he said. "You can remember our moments together. I will visit if you want me to. I'm proud of you." Mia hugged him. "Thank you, Dad." Emily looked at Alex. "Thank you for being honest," she said. He nodded. "And thank you for raising such a wonderful girl." In Osaka, life was different. The streets were busy, the language was new, and the food was exciting. Emily found a job at a local wellness center. Daniel taught at an international school. Mia joined a dance class and made new friends. They lived in a small house with a garden. They adopted a dog named Kiko, who loved running in the park. One spring afternoon, Daniel and Emily stood in the garden. The cherry blossoms were falling like pink snow. Daniel held her hand. "We did it," he said. Emily looked at Mia playing with Kiko. "Yes," she said. "We found our place. We found our peace." She thought about the past, the pain, the tears, the fear, but also the growth, the strength, the love. She smiled. Sometimes life doesn't go as planned, but sometimes it leads you somewhere better.